Standard no-code tools are designed for static pages, sites waiting for a user's click. To build a system that manages data and background processes on its own, we need to look at the AI super agent. This is the agentic operating system. It functions as a layer where you orchestrate multiple AI agents to manage your data models, user permissions, and workflows. In this build, we are going to reconstruct a complex SaaS dashboard from a single screenshot, connect a relational database, and use the Gmail API to handle automated daily reporting. We will complete the entire full-stack build in under 6 minutes, without writing code, using the 5 free daily credits provided in Creo's updated tier. Before we start the build, if you want to stay ahead of these new automation tools, hit the like button, drop a comment with your app idea, and subscribe to the channel at @BrandTechOff. Mastering this specific workflow changes your role from a consumer of AI-generated snippets to an orchestrator of automated digital systems. To start, we upload our target SaaS screenshot into the Creo chat interface. This serves as the visual reference for our initial prompt. The AI analyzes the layout and immediately generates a functional, interactive front-end UI that matches the screenshot on the canvas. This automation handles the alignment of sidebars, buttons, and navigation menus, removing the need for manual CSS adjustments. With the front end visible, we now need a place to store data. Prompt the AI to attach a working database to the interface we just created. A common mistake here is leaving the AI to guess the data structure. To prevent errors or hallucinations, you must explicitly define your business logic within the chat. Specifically, instruct the AI to build 3 specific tables: one for users, one for scraped data, and one for email logs. Once provided with this instruction, the AI maps the relational logic and provisions the backend environment automatically. By providing these natural language constraints, we ensure the backend is robust enough to handle real user data. This step completes our foundation, turning a visual mockup into a data-driven application. Now, we activate the AI super agent. For the app to be autonomous, it must communicate with external tools through API integrations. Navigate to the Integrations panel and link your Google account. This provides the app with direct access to the Gmail API. Creo's observability tools are still developing, so identifying why an API call failed can be difficult for beginners. To avoid deployment errors, always run a manual test execution on the integration to verify that the API connection is active and authorized. Once verified, prompt the super agent to schedule a daily task. We want it to analyze the records in our scraped data table and email a summary brief every morning. This is the core of vibe coding. You are using plain language to orchestrate persistent, scheduled behaviors across different software systems. Check your inbox. Seeing that automated test email confirms the super agent is successfully communicating with the Gmail API. The application now functions as an independent system, managing scheduled tasks 24/7 without requiring manual user input. One of the most frequent questions from the community is how to share these apps with users who don't have a Creo account. To do this, open your app settings and generate a unique guest access deployment link. Take that link and open it in an incognito browser window to test the deployment from a third-party perspective. You've now confirmed that external clients can interact with the UI and your database securely without needing their own login. So those looking to take this further, the next step involves utilizing the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. MCP allows you to bridge this cloud-based web app with local AI agents like Claude Desktop, creating a unified workflow between your local machine and the cloud. In under 6 minutes, we have built and deployed a client-ready business automation engine that runs entirely on its own.